Hi guys, it's AMillian Nevaeh. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. Boy, you make me float, float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, dope, 'cause you. Hey y'all, it is Thursday, March 13th, and it is 2:23 right now. I currently just walked in the house just so I can grab my camera. I'm just getting off of work. I decided to just start this vlog off real quick because today I'm going to have nothing else to do. Sorry if y'all hear Mocha in the back crying. She's in the cage. She wants to get out. But I'm not letting her out because I'm about to leave. I literally came in to just grab my camera and start this video real quick. But this is just going to be like a weekend vlog. I'm starting it today on a Thursday because I decided to just go out and grab my aunt a birthday gift because her birthday is on Saturday. And I don't have nothing else to do. I'm bored, so I'm just gonna do it today. Tomorrow I am off, but I have a nail appointment at 12 o'clock, and then Saturday is my aunt's birthday party. So yeah, y'all just gonna be spending some days with me. So I also want to go get a car wash. I'm just not sure what car wash I'm gonna go to because I'm so used to the area where I used to live at. I don't know any car washes around here, so I'm gonna have to look one up. But I want to go to Dick's because one of the gifts I want to get my aunt is a Stanley Cup, and I need to go to the dollar store to get some like air freshener stuff for my car and probably a birthday card and a birthday bag. And then I do want to get a car wash like I said. And yeah, so let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna get some wipes because my car needs wiped down in the inside. And then I'm gonna get me one of these because I like these. These smell good. And of course we need the black ice. So get one of these. Alright, now we need a bag to put her gift in. I don't really see too many good happy birthday bags though. Maybe we can do like this. Or I like this one actually. Hopefully, I think the cup should be able to fit in this. Then I'm gonna just get some of this paper right here to put on top. I picked up this sign because I think it's so cute. I'm gonna put it on my door if it fits. Okay, y'all, so I'm at Dick's now. Her favorite color is pink and black, so I'm gonna try to find her a Stanley like that. Not necessarily have to be pink and black, but at least a pink Stanley cup, or maybe even a black one. But yeah. So they don't have any pink Stanleys, and they do have black, but I just feel like, I don't know, like, should I be getting her a black one, all black one, or should I get her this one, even though this is more like a purple, but I don't know which one to get. Would y'all consider this pink or purple? I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I feel like the black is just too basic. I mean, like, don't get me wrong. Eventually, I will want a black Stanley Cup. But, cute. Like, the black one's okay. But, I think I'm gonna get her the pink one, y'all. Or purple. Whatever color y'all think that is. I'm gonna just get her this one and hopefully she likes it. Alright, y'all. I got the cup. So now I'm going to go ahead and head to the car wash. So yeah, actually maybe I'll go to Five Below and see if maybe there's like little cute stuff I can put in her bag too. just because I'm over this way. Okay, so I couldn't find nothing in there, but I did see these cute shirts that says I'm simply just a girl. Do y'all see this? Oh, hold on. I just thought these were too cute, like, cause I always say this, like, I'm just a girl, like, so I thought it was cute, even though they're just cute little $5 shirts. But I got me and her one, cause, like I said, I thought it was cute. But yeah, now let's go get my car washed. Y'all, why was I on my way to the front seat? Mind you, I did my driver's seat, I did my back seats, and I'm on my way to my passenger side. And why did it off on me? And I only had $1.25. And I found 2 more quarters, but I need $1 to be able to get it started up again. So now everything's done except for my passenger seat over here. But it's okay. I'll just go another day and try again. At least I got my car washed and it's somewhat clean. While I'm just sitting here, I'm just gonna go ahead and start wiping my inside down with these wipes, and then put my new fresheners and stuff in. And then I just get this. Normally I get 2. I don't know why I didn't grab 2, but I just open it. And then put the lid back on like that. And I smell it already. I always be sticking it down on my passenger door side because it is really strong and I don't be wanting it over here. So I be sticking it over there, right down there where the cups go. Now I'm about to go home. I do want to show you guys my sign when I put it up, so I'll just get back to y'all when I get home. Alright y'all, so I'm home. And now I'm about to just put her gift together. Real quick, just so it could be done and out the way. This is the bag I got. Don't mind Mocha, y'all. Alright, so here's her cup. And then her shirt. And her card. And the paper. Okay, so I kind of just wrapped the cup in this, and I'm gonna just put it in here. The bag is a perfect size. And then the shirt, I'm gonna just sit in here on the side. Oh, let me sign my card too real quick. Alright, I know y'all can't see my face, but I want y'all to be able to see me put the stuff in here. So everything's in there. I'm just gonna go ahead and start putting the tissue paper on the top. Alright, so all finished. Okay, y'all, so now I'm gonna put my sign on my door. Here's a better look at it so y'all can see. I do want to decorate the front of my door like a spring look, but everything that I seen in the dollar store was like Easter themed, and I'm not celebrating. I mean, I'm not decorating for Easter, so maybe I could find something somewhere else. But I'm just gonna get me a thumbtack and put it on my door. Okay, so this is how it looks. Don't mind this here. I put that there so I wouldn't see my door number, but this is cute. I do have like a peek hole thing here, but I just thought to cover it up because I have a camera, so I don't really need that. But yeah, super cute. Hey y'all, it's later on and Alex decided he wanted to go fishing, so we're out here fishing. We just got here actually, but yeah, let's fish. Hey y'all, good morning. It is currently 11:38 and it is March 14th. And as y'all know, I have my nail appointment today at 12 o'clock. I have it in my app. It says it's 13 minutes away, and if I was to leave right now, I'd get there by 11:51. So I am about to leave. I also want to get my toes done as well. So yeah, as of nails, I think I'm gonna do pink French tip just because it's like pretty much springtime, and I'm thinking pink would be cute. But I don't know, y'all know I love my white French tip. But yeah, and then I always get white on my toes. So yeah, I'm about to leave right now, so I'll catch you guys when I get there. Okay, y'all, so it's currently 11:56. I just got here. I'm about to head in there now so we can get in and out because I do not like being in and out shop forever. So it's later on. It is 5:03 right now. Me, my mom, my me mom, and my little sister. I think it's just us four. We are going to go get some seafood. Have like a little girls' dinner. So yeah, we're actually all gonna be wearing the same shirts, which is I'm simply just a girl shirt that y'all see me get from the store. Was that yesterday? So yeah, I'm about to head to my mom now. So alright, y'all. So we just made it to the craft place. It is 8:42. It's not even on you. It's on our BB.
I see the camera.
Me, mom, it's on me, mom. But turn it on me.
Yeah. Let me see.
Hey. It's her mom.
My birthday tomorrow.
Yep, her birthday tomorrow. Her birthday tomorrow.
Onion rings. Well, see, they got onion rings.
And now we're going to, let's change. We should go. We can do this, but it don't matter.
I don't like that view. That side.
Alright, I like this side. Don't worry. No, do like it.
Okay? Are you okay, ma'am? Yeah, thank you. All day?
All right, here's Aunt BB's. Ooh, yours look good. All right, Mom, hold up. Okay, let me see yours.
Clock it.
Clock it. Bella, let me see.
Her little kid's meal.
Alinda, you got some shrimp? All right, me, Mom.
What did she say?
Clock
I thought so.
She said clock, that. Alright, y'all, so we're done eating. I'm gonna rate my food a good 10 out of 10. It was good.
I would give it about 9 out of 10. It was very good.
I'm going to just give it a 9 out of 9. Sorry. It's a 10 out of 10.
That shit was
Bella, rate yours. What is it? 10 out of 10? You like the food? Say it.
10 out of 10.
What you like? 10 out of 10? All right.
Meanwhile, what do you rate your food?
Oh, my food was really good. It was, I say about 70, 75.
Get on.
Have 100.
Why? What's
10 out of
1 to 10. 10 being the greatest.
Oh, shit. See, I wasn't paying attention. 10.
Hey. It is Saturday, March 15th, and it is 3:36 right now. I'm waiting for my brother to come out so we can head up to the party because it started at 3 o'clock. So, yeah, let's head to the party. The birthday girl.
I'm excited. The only time I've ever actually been able to enjoy it was the one time I had edibles before all the other 13 were transmitting. You don't? Yeah, if you turn away the brownies, I was feeling great.
Stop. Did you really? Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
My first.